Turbo Toys R Us. 6.
My name is DeLion from Turbo Toys R Us. This is my Toyota AE86 2RZ Turbo. I am from South Florida, Fort Lauderdale. My car is a classic show car that I love to bring to car shows. I bought this car during COVID in 2021, and I did a whole bunch of work to transform it into the machine you see some pictures of that I'm showing. On Friday the 13th, December 2024, my car was unfortunately involved in an accident. The person that hit my car drove out suddenly, trying to make a U-turn. There was a police cruiser right behind them, saw the whole thing. The person had no insurance. The owner of the vehicle's license was suspended even though somebody else was driving. And I sustained some serious injuries from the accident. I already started purchasing parts to fix my car, and I saw this beautiful ad that Carlos made stating that he was helping people in need of help to do body work, paint work on their car to fix their car up. And I thought, man, it would be awesome if I could win the opportunity to get my car restored by Carlos. So I am applying with my video to be entered and considered to get my car fully restored back to perfection. I originally purchased my car during COVID as a project for something to use my skills on. It was a project that someone could not finish, and it had a mountain of issues that I had to work through with patience, energy, time, money, and the result of it was a pure fun project that when I brought it out, people just loved to see it everywhere I brought it. And it's a street car. I love having a nice antique, powerful sleeper street build like my Toyota Corolla AE86. It is powered by a Tacoma engine. It's currently making 471 horsepower. It has brought me a lot of joy over the few years since I've been working on it. I would so much appreciate Carlos's touch in restoring my car. You can see me and more about the car on Turbo Toys R Us on YouTube or Turbo Toys R Us on Instagram. Because of this Japanese classic antique Corolla, I started my YouTube channel to inspire other car builders and to help share mechanical and technical information with others trying to build or solve problems all around the world. I've met so many people. I've helped them and I've learned from them, and this makes owning my classic street car truly special. I have acquired some of the parts already to fix my car. I would very much appreciate Carlos's help and the opportunity for him to restore my car. Thank you very much for considering Turbo Toys R Us Toyota Corolla AE86 for your project in restoring people's confidence and kindness and generosity.